So in this question, a semicircle with center at point O is given. Inside it, there is a circle at center C with radii 2 units. We have to find the area of this yellow shaded region, and area of this yellow shaded region will be equal to area of this semicircle minus area of this small circle. So area of semicircle is pi times radius squared. So let us take capital R square upon 2. So we have assumed the radius of this semicircle as capital R, minus area of this circle will be pi times square of the radius. The radius is 2 units, so 2 squared. So if we get the value of capital R, we can substitute it here and get the value of the required area. So our focus will be to find the value of capital R. In order to do so, we will connect these 2 points, that means the center of the circle, and also from C we will drop a perpendicular. So this is 90 degree. Why? Because we know a theorem that if this is the circle, this is the center, and if this is the tangent and this is the point of contact. So if we join these 2 points, then this line segment will be 90 degree to the tangent. So we see that this is the tangent, C is the center of this circle, and A is the point of contact. So CA will be perpendicular. Now let us focus on this triangle ACO. Let me draw it outside. What will be the measure of AO? AO will be this complete length is capital R, and one part of this line segment is 3 units. So the remaining part AO will be R minus 3. So here we can write capital R minus 3. Now what is AC? AC is the radius of this complete circle, smaller circle, which is given as 2 units. So we can write it here as 2. Now what will be the measure of OC, this distance? So if we produce OC, it will go and touch this point B. So the entire length OB will be capital R. This length is capital R, and this is 2 units. So OC will be R minus 2. So let us write down R minus 2 here. Now let us apply Pythagorean theorem in this triangle AOC in order to find the value of capital R. So this will be capital R minus 2 whole squared, that is square of hypotenuse, is equal to R minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Let us expand this on LHS. So this will be R square minus 4R plus 4. On RHS, first term will be R square minus 6R plus 9 and then plus 4. Let us subtract R square from both sides. Also let us subtract 4 from both sides. So on LHS, this R square will get cancelled and 4 will get cancelled. We will be left with minus 4R equals. On RHS also, we will get minus 6R plus 9. Now let us add 6R to both sides. So plus 6R plus 6R. This will get cancelled. And we will get 2R equals 9. So R will be 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5 units. Now after getting the value of R, we can come back here and in the formula we can substitute the value of R. So this will be pi times 4.5 whole squared divided by 2 minus 4 times pi. So from here we can take out pi common. First term will be 4.5 whole square upon 2. On solving, we will get 81 upon 8 minus 4. So this will be 81 minus 32 upon 8 multiplied with pi. So this will give us 49 upon 8 pi square units. So finally we have found the area of this yellow shaded region as 49 upon 8 pi square units. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.